Morning friends, question number 25. Colchicine rests any mitotically dividing cell at metaphase by option A, preventing the polymerization of tubulin into microtubules of the spindle. Option B, preventing the movement of spindle fibers, as a result of which chromosome fail to go to the opposite poles. Option C, destroying the contractile property of the spindle protein, which eventually coagulates. Option D, dislodging chromosomes from the fibrous filament of the spindle, and consequently the chromosomes remain confined to the equatorial plane. Now we discuss colchicine. Colchicine is responsible to disassembling the microtubules at the plus end, that is preventing the polymerization of tubulin into microtubule of the spindle. You know, microtubule, these are formed of dimer, polymerization. Alpha and beta globular tubulin protein, these are tubulin protein, these are globular. Alpha and beta 2 dimerize to form alpha and beta dimer along with ADP, that is consuming energy currency molecules. These energy currency molecules are ATP, TTP, GTP, CTP, etc., and result in formations of dimer, alpha beta dimer. Now these alpha beta dimer polymerize in this way, and there is formations of about 1 2 to 13 filament, and these filaments arrange in this way and enclosing the space between them, and such structure is hollow structure is known as microtubules. These microtubules result in formations of spindle fiber. These spindle fibers are responsible for the movement of chromosomes to their respective opposite poles. As you see, microtubule formation, it having positive and negative end. This one it is the positive end, and this one it is the negative end. At positive end, dimers, this one comes to at this site and assemble to form the microfilament and ultimately microtubules. This site microtubule length increase, but at this site negative endpoint, there is the disassembling of the micro dimer form, and their length becomes short. As concerning the effect of colchicine, colchicines come in between the 2 alpha and beta dimer. This one is colchicine. Colchicine come between the dimer. This one, it is colchicine, and it is responsible for disassembling disassembling of dimer. Dimer, these are alpha beta dimer of tubulin. Tubulin dimer. After the discussion, as we conclude that colchicine preventing the polymerization of tubulin into microtubules of the spindle, that option A is correct. Preventing the movement of spindle fibers, as a result of which chromosome fail to go to the opposite poles, this statement is wrong. Destroying the contractile property of spindle protein which eventually coagulates, this option is also wrong. Dislodging chromosome from the fibrous element of the spindle, consequently the chromosomes remain confined to the equatorial plane, this statement is also wrong. Then option A is correct. This one, A is correct options. That's all. Subscribe and share the video. Thank you.